back. So, this is the third part of the bacteria series, and we're going to continue with the structure of the bacteria and its details. So, now moving on to pili or fimbriae. So, these were the structures that were above the bacteria or surrounding the capsule of the bacteria. So, these are short, hollow, and filamentous structures. So these are around 0.05 μm in length and 0.01 μm in diameter. So this part can only be found in gram-negative bacteria. So pili is made up of a protein known as pilin protein. So there is a specific pili known as the sex pili. So what is the sex pili? So this takes part in bacterial conjugation, that is the sexual reproduction of bacteria. Takes part in bacterial conjugation. Okay, so now talking about its functions. Oops. So these help in adhering or sticking to the host cell. So yeah, sex pili helps to transfer DNA during bacterial conjugation, right? So that's it for pili or fimbriae, and now we will move on to the next part, that is the capsule. Right? So capsule, what is a capsule? So it is a viscous, thin, we'll put thin and protective together. Thin, protective coat that is present outside the cell. The cell wall, not cell, cell wall. So sometimes instead of capsule there is a slime layer that is present in some of these bacteria. So the slime layer is made up of amorphous or paracrystalline colloid protein, right? So amorphous or paracrystalline colloid protein. So that's what it's made of. So then moving on to functions. So functions are similar to the pili. It aids in adherence, it prevents from desiccation. So desiccation is basically the prevention of loss of moisture. So prevents desiccation from occurring. Prevents desiccation. They help in resisting against phagocytosis. Resist against phagocytosis. And the slime layer protects from proteolytic layers. Proteolytic layer. Yeah. So last thing we'll be talking about is cell wall. Let's pick a different color. Green, something we haven't used often. Maybe we'll choose different green. Yes. Done. Okay, so cell wall. Let's talk about that. So it is a rigid layer gives shape to the cell and it is made of peptidoglycan which is surrounded in the plasma membrane. Okay. So sometimes bacteria don't have the cell wall, and these are known as mycoplasma. Absence of cell wall. Okay, so that's about it for this session. So let's end the session here, and we will be talking about internal structure in the next coming up videos, right? So now the comments have been disabled, so I'm not sure how you will ask questions, but I will see how it is possible. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for listening, and please do subscribe and share with those who might need this video for some study material, things like that. So thank you and bye.